Hello everyone, I am just in the middle of putting on some Olov table. No? Hello everyone, I am in the process of fitting some Ikea Olov adjustable table legs, and because I found it a little bit tricky and I've needed to Google how to do it, I thought I'd just pop on and make a quick video and just show you how to do it. Hopefully I'll help some people. So with the package you get a helpful leaflet which shows you how to fix on the fixing plates. So that was the easy bit, and I'll show you what I've done. The second step is then to fit the leg, and then you twist it into position. So it's saying here that you're twisting one way, changing the length and then twisting the other way. So it's clockwise, change the length, and then anti-clockwise to tighten. And it just wasn't working for me. So, okay, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So in the pack, you get your leg and the fixing bit, which again, I will show you. And then on the leg itself, it twists at the end, and this is the adjustable part. And then, I don't know if you can see, but there are actually some helpful measurements on the leg itself, which is great because I know that on my desk it's 72.5 centimetres is the height that I want these legs to be, because I've already measured to the bottom of the other side. So just showing you quickly before I actually fit it, what I'm going to do is just move the leg to where it says 72, and I will go 72.5, and I know that I need to turn anti-clockwise, so I'm going to start twisting. And this is where I'm starting to think it's never going to happen, it's never going to happen, it's never going to happen, it's not going to tighten. Oh, it tightened. It's just that it took a lot more twists than I thought, because I thought, oh, it's not working, there's something wrong with it. No, it's probably the first time that I did it, I think the first one took me about like 15 to 20 twists, and I just thought they're broken. So yeah, so you can keep twisting, and they're solid now, so I can fit that on. I think what I'm also just going to do is fit the legs themselves, and then I will show you how to fit it once they are in position. Okay, so these are the little fixing discs, which I have screwed into position using the screws. I didn't use ones that were in the pack because they were actually too long, so just be careful with whatever you're screwing into to make sure that your screws don't poke out the other end. So you've got your little threaded screw on that end, and I'm just going to twist that in. Here we go. And like I said, I know that the height I wanted was the 72.5 centimetres. So I'm just going to find my measurement, 72.5. And because it's clockwise, you've got to think of perspective. I know that I need to now go clockwise when it's upside down. Does that make sense? So when it's upside down, it's clockwise. When it's anti-clockwise, when you've got it the other way up. Oh, I got it, I get it. So it's tightening, it's getting really tight, it's getting harder to twist. There we are, it's tightened up. So I'm just going to do the other one. I also just wanted to cover this scenario. So you've got your table legs on, now you need to adjust it. I have got a spirit level on top so that I can just double check that it's completely level, but I know that I wanted it 72.5 centimetres, so again I'm going to use the little gauge that's on the leg. I'm going to pull it down. If you've got someone else with you, it can make it easier just to check the spirit level for you. And then we are twisting anti-clockwise, remember, because it's this way up, it's the other perspective. We're going 72.5 until it tightens. Remember, there's a lot more twists than you think. Yep. So I'm just going to check my spirit level. Yeah, that's fine, that's bang on, and I'm going to do the other one. I hope that video might have helped some of you with struggling with the Olov table legs. You'll get there. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, then I do like making videos like this, but also organising and all about saving you money. So click on the subscribe button and I will see you in the next one. Bye!